In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Defender in Windows 11. This process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Just keep in mind that turning off Microsoft Defender lowers your device's protection against viruses, malware, and other threats. So this is usually something people do temporarily for troubleshooting, software installation, or testing. If you only need it off for a short time, make sure to turn it back on afterward. To begin, open the Settings app by pressing Windows and I on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you directly into the main Windows Settings menu and is one of the fastest ways to access system options. Once Settings is open, look to the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. This section contains many of the built-in Windows protection and permissions controls, including the area for Microsoft Defender. From there, select Windows Security. This will take you into the security dashboard where Windows manages things like virus protection, firewall settings, and account security. It's essentially the central hub for built-in protection features in Windows 11. Next, click Virus and Threat Protection. This section is specifically where Microsoft Defender's antivirus options are managed. If you're following along carefully, make sure you open this exact area, since that's where the setting we need is located. Now scroll until you see Virus and Threat Protection Settings, then click Manage Settings. This opens a page with the main protection switches for Defender, including the option that actively scans files and programs while your computer is running. Here, find Real-Time Protection and switch it to Off. Real-Time Protection is the feature that continuously checks files, apps, and downloads for potential threats as they happen. Turning it off stops that live scanning temporarily. If a user account control prompt appears, approve it to continue. This is a normal Windows confirmation message that appears when you're making a system-level security change. Accepting it allows Windows to apply the setting. After that, Microsoft Defender Real-Time Protection will be turned off. In some cases, Windows may automatically re-enable it later, especially after a restart or after some time has passed, so keep that in mind if you're checking back later. And that's all it takes to turn off Microsoft Defender in Windows 11. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow along for more clear and simple Windows tutorials.